Looking for a business laptop that's powerful, upgradable, lightweight, and built for serious work? Today we're checking out the ASUS ExpertBook B1 B1503, a laptop designed for professionals, students, office users, and anyone who needs reliable performance every day. Starting with the design, the ASUS ExpertBook B1 has a clean and professional look with a modern architecture-inspired chassis finished in gentle grey. It feels minimal, elegant, and perfect for office or business environments. One feature I really like is the 180-degree lay-flat hinge, which makes collaboration easier during meetings or presentations. Despite having a solid build, the laptop weighs only around 1.68 kilograms, making it easy to carry for work, travel, or university. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where the ExpertBook B1 becomes really interesting. It's powered by the Intel Core i5-210H processor. With 8 cores, 12 threads, and boost speeds up to 4.8 GHz, this laptop handles multitasking very smoothly. You also get 16 GB DDR5 RAM. The best part is, the memory is upgradable up to 64 GB. Storage is handled by a fast 512 GB PCIe Gen4 SSD, which gives quick boot times and fast file transfers. Intel UHD graphics. Battery life. The laptop packs a 50 mAh battery which should comfortably handle a full working day for most users depending on workload. AI features. One of the standout features on this laptop is the AI integration. You get AI Expert Meet Copilot in Windows AI noise cancelling technology. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD Nano Edge display with slim bezels and an impressive screen-to-body ratio. Anti-glare display, LED backlit, 250 nits. 1080p FHD camera with privacy shutter. ASUS didn't compromise on connectivity either. The ExpertBook B1 includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports with display and power delivery support, HDMI output, RJ45 Ethernet port, 3.5mm audio jack, fingerprint sensor, Kensington lock support. Backlit Chiclet keyboard with numkey, 1.35mm key travel, spill-resistant keyboard, touchpad. Fingerprint sensor integrated with touchpad.